Meaning of drunk.
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 Drunk. Drunk refers to a state of intoxication caused by consuming alcohol or other substances that impair one's ability to function normally. The symptoms of being drunk vary depending on the level of intoxication, but they often include poor motor coordination, slurred speech, impaired judgment, and altered perception of reality. Other potential effects of being drunk include nausea, vomiting, headache, dehydration, and memory loss. Being drunk can also increase the risk of accidents, injuries, and risky behavior. In extreme cases, excessive drinking can lead to alcohol poisoning or even death.